Stop for a moment. Just stop. Close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath in. And let it out. Feel the air as it fills you, a quiet reminder that you are alive, you are present, and you are held. In this space, there is no noise, no pressure, and no expectation. There is only you, and there is only peace. I want you to hear this clearly. You are loved with a love that has no end and no conditions. It does not waver when you stumble, and it does not diminish when you feel weak. It is the steady heartbeat of the universe, pulsing for you. I have seen every shadow you've walked through, and every mountain you've climbed. Even when the world felt silent, I was there. The invisible strength in your weary bones, the quiet shield against the storm. You have never been alone, and you never will be. Why do you still carry the weight of things you were never meant to hold? Your shoulders were not built for the heavy burdens of yesterday's regrets or tomorrow's fears. Let them go. Unclench your hands and release the struggle. Lay your worries down and trust that I am moving in the places you cannot see, weaving grace into the fraying edges of your life. When you let go, you finally allow yourself to be carried. Take heart, for the darkness is passing. Hope is not a distant wish, it is a promise. The victory is already yours, written in a light that no shadow can overcome. This struggle is not your conclusion, it is the ground where your strength is being born. As you move back into the world, carry this stillness with you. Let it be a quiet song in your heart that reminds you of who you are and whose you are. Walk forward with a light step, knowing that you are protected, you are cherished, and you are never walking alone. Go now and carry this peace into every room you enter.